My today's video is the review of a product which is a sunblock. It is by Lady Diana collection and it is in the cream form and it is suitable to all skin types, whether you has oily skin or dry skin or any type of skin. It is in the cream form, so you can use it easily. It has vitamin E in it, which is very much useful and very much effective and useful for our skin. And its SPF, sun protection factor, is UV40, which is suitable for the Pakistani skin types, and it is in the bottle of 170 ml, and you can use it for a very long time. If you buy it once, you can use it for many months, for a long time, and you can use it in any season, either it is spring, summer, winter or autumn. And here you can see it not only protects our skin from the sun radiations, but it also protect us from UVA and UVB rays, which are very much dangerous to our skin and damage our skin. If you have blemish, it will tear your skin, and if you have freckles or dryness on your skin, it will remove your freckles and dryness from the skin. If you have a clear skin, it will give you a confidence to go out with fresh skin, and it will balance your skin, your pH of skin, and you don't use it while you are going outside or in the sun. You can use it in your rooms if you are at home, as sun radiations also affect you whether you are in your house, your room, or you are outside. If you are in house, it doesn't mean you don't need any sun protection. You need it. And as I've told you earlier, that it is suitable to all skin types. And how it protects our skin, you can see sun radiation penetrates into the keratin layer of our skin and epidermis, then it affects our skin very badly, and so you have to use this sunblock. This is very effective. I also use it, and I recommend you all to use this sunblock once. And now I'm going to tell you its directions to use, how I use it, and how you have to use it to your skin. Its directions to use: you don't need to take a huge amount of it, you just have to take a very little amount like this and apply it onto your skin, that it properly absorbs into your skin like this. You can see it gives you a very glowing finish, and its smell is not pungent, and it's very soothing, and I love its fragrance, and I use it daily, not only on my hands but on my skin, on my face. And after using this sunscreen sunblock, you can use your daily moisturizing cream or foundation or any type of cream which you are using to go out, and it will not affect your makeup, your foundation, and it will just protect your skin from sun radiations, from ultraviolet radiations, and it is very much effective to your skin. And that's all for this sunblock. I recommend you all to use this sunblock, and please do mention in comments that what you got by using this sunblock. If you got it effective, then please tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching my video.